Before we talk about different coaching models, let us look at what do we mean by a coaching model? What is the purpose that these models serve? A coaching model is a framework. It's the underlying structure that you can use when you are coaching someone. This structure consists of different components or steps. Each component or step has an objective which allows you to ensure that the coaching session is systematic and does not spiral into a roundabout chat. There are multiple coaching models, but all of them are based on the primary understanding of what coaching is all about. So, what is coaching all about? As discussed in the earlier video, coaching is a solution-focused approach. So, obviously, one of the important elements of coaching is being able to define the desired outcome. Once we know the outcome, the next step is to assess the client's current reality or situation. This clarity about the current reality and the outcome then helps us create a plan of action to move from current reality to the desired outcome. Finally, helping the client apply the plan into action on a consistent and systematic basis so that the client can achieve this outcome. In short, the four basic components of any coaching process include outcome or goal, current reality or situation, systematic plan of action, and finally action. Almost all coaching models include these components, though different models will build up on these components and will have their own ways of exploring each of these components. The most popular coaching model is called GROW, which we will discuss in the next video. That said, we at iCharts use a coaching model that we developed in-house called Soft C or So Face the C. The model in our understanding is a lot more comprehensive in itself and can be used seamlessly with Hypnosis NLP and, to be true, any other therapeutic or change process. The Soft C model can also be used to create a systematic therapy plan for each of your clients. You will not just see the demonstration of this model in the class, but also practice it with your co-participants during the level 1 itself. For now, we go back to the GROW model in the next video.